Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Javi's Rockin Kitchen on Isla, Mujeres, and today we're gonna have a very traditional and beautiful snack. We're doing the mini version. It's going to be an excellent appetizer, a perfect snack for any kind of parties. Please join us. We're making today Salbutes. Okay, and so previously we cut our onion in juliennes, just like this, all right? And we're gonna start it with this because it's an important ingredient, but it needs a little bit of time because we're gonna pickle them, okay? We're gonna pour some boiling water. Let it rest. Okay, so I drained the hot water and I just splashed a little bit of oregano and a little drizzle of that to get the flavor. I have a little bit of white vinegar. We're gonna use white vinegar. And in Mexico, we have in the area where we live, Yucatan area, we have something called bitter sweet orange. We do not have bitter sweet orange, but you can recreate it with half lime and half of the orange, just like that, okay? We're just gonna cut this up. I'm gonna cut this beautiful fruit. We're gonna use a strainer, no seeds allowed, all right? Okie dokie, we got our lime in there, beautiful, and our orange juice, just like this. All right, now we have an intense, beautiful flavors mixed together. All right, this will be our onion, and let it rest, and it's gonna pickle, okay? We're gonna add, at the very last thing, we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Also a little bit of pepper. No problem. There you go. All right, so this is our pickle. Let it rest and it will be ready at the end of the video. Okay, so in about 10-inch skillet or a very small skillet, we're going to pour. I'm going to use only half of a cup or 4 ounces of oil. All right, just like this. And we are going to heat it up, okay? Because we're going to do the next step. We're going to use a corn dough that I will show you where to get. And one of our videos on the island will show you where the tortilla places are, and all of them will sell it to you. Another way to do this, possibly if you want to, just leave your comments in below. I can make it happen. I can make the dough, base it on the grocery store, little flour of corn that you can find any grocery stores. We make those little round things. We're gonna make a small tortillas with those. But first of all, we need to warm up our oil. Previously, I showed you how to make this. It's very easy. I will leave the video in the corner, just so you know. When we make the empanadas, I'll show you how to make those. I'm gonna use a plate, a plastic, another plate, and I'm gonna make a very tiny tortillas. Okay, so basically I have a little plastic baggie, and then I open it just like this, like that, and you open like this. Very easy. After you make these little things, you make a round lat just like this. All right, there's also something like this. We're gonna cover it up with another piece of plastic, and then we're gonna smash them with a little plate. We're gonna go like this, and a little bit more pressure, and that's it. And we have a little tortilla right here, just like that. We're gonna round the edges if you like. Doesn't have to be perfect, honestly. It's just a very nice snack. All right, so this is the result. So here they are right after frying the little tortillas, okay? We're gonna do our little non-very traditional way, but it's similar to the traditional Yucatan way, our salbutes, okay? So here we go. We're gonna assembling on this tray, and then we're gonna put them in our plate. So I'm gonna start using a little bit of lettuce, a little chopped lettuce. Take the pieces that you don't like it. Just put them something like these, okay? We're gonna go ahead and place our pieces of lettuce all over the place. Beautiful. And one more. One more little piece. Right there. Okay. Right after these, I am going to go ahead and put we have shredded grilled chicken. This is perfect example of what I'm going to do with our chicken that I have left over from the barbecue, from the party, or whatever. Here it is. It's a perfect example. You can use this as a wonderful snack. You can put a bunch of chicken meat on top of each of those. Okay. Let's do it that way. Okay. Something like that. Easy. All right. A little bit more of this one and a little bit more of that. Right here. Yep. Perfect. Now we're going to use the other ingredients that we have. We have a little bit of a pickled onion right here. Remember that I told you about it? Just straight around and beautiful color. Look at that onion, how they turn. We have a little bit of vinegar, salt, pepper. Also we have a oregano, salt, pepper, lime juice, and orange juice. So this is it, our pickled onion. Super beautiful, okay? We're gonna use it only a few stripes on each of these guys. Oh, it smells really, really good already. Oh, it's just the onion with the orange and the lime. Turning beautiful. Look at that. Okay, something like that. It's a perfect snack for a small party or whatever, a football game or anything like that. Okay, now we're almost ready right there, but we're gonna keep going on ingredients. We have a little bit of tomato slice. Tomato slice. Each, you can actually push them a little down if you like to maintain them all together. A little bit of tomato right there. See how crunchy they are. We're gonna also use a little pickled jalapeno, of course, a little bit of spice. One little slice each. Like the tomato, you can squeeze a little bit down, so maintain it on the salbute. Okay. Go ahead and place a little bit of our avocados sliced, something like that. Perfect. Over in the middle, yeah. Right there. Beautiful. Okay. All right, and usually they go ahead and put a little tomato sauce on top of these. Today I am actually going to top it. Today I'm going to top it with a little bit of avocado cream. And so what I am going to do is grab a little bit of these and put it on the top of this beautiful creation. Right there. With each of them. Very delicate. Something like that. Our avocado cream, I'm gonna leave that video on here in this corner so you can check it out. Easy to make, okay? Beautiful and delicious. And the very, very last and very attractive touch will be a little bit of black sesame seeds on top of it. Okay? Something like this. All right, and let me clean all this thing and then we go ahead and plate it. Just like this. All right. And there you go, my friends. We have our little beautiful plate, plated and delicious, good looking and amazing appetizer. Our salbutes. Traditional from Yucatan, but in the same time you can become and create it with another thing, pulled pork or ribs, meat or whatever. You can go ahead and create all these wonderful things. Remember the avocado cream? I leave the video in the corner right there. Please leave your comments on what you think about this. When can you use this and what kind of party you were going to use those? Please let me know. Oh, my mouth is watering. I'm going to get the taste. And remember to please subscribe to our channel, Javi's Rockin Kitchen. Thumbs up, watch all our previous videos, and let me know what you're thinking. Throw me all your comments. Check on the link in the, under the videos as well. And, well, this is it, my friends. Thank you very much. This is Javi's Rockin' Kitchen from Isla Mujeres. Thank you again.